Hi guys, you are highly welcome to this channel and thank you for stopping by. I guess the main reason for clicking on this video is about how to make money online, and I want to assure you that you are at the right place, and I'm going to guide you to give you all the tricks and tips as to how to make money online legitimately. In today's video, I'm going to answer 5 common asked questions about how to make money online in this modern era. In these past few years, I have been researching about how to earn online and how to make money online. And finally, I have started to earn from the internet. And I think it is time for me to share my experiences and my ways of making money online with you guys. Please kindly subscribe to this channel so that we embark on this journey together. I know you are going to love it and you are going to like it. At the end of the day, we are all going to make money together. Please kindly subscribe to this channel if it is your first time, and if you are already subscribed, please kindly like the video. Now, when you think about making money online, the first question that comes to your mind is why online money? Why online money? Online money because it has become one of the surest ways of making money legitimately. In these modern days of our time, it has become easier to make money online, irrespective of your gender or academic qualification. This is because the internet is full of online businesses platform where you can earn with your phone and your laptop. So this one, it doesn't demand your academic performance, it doesn't demand your qualification. So far as you have a good internet connection and a phone and a laptop, you can make money online. The second question is it easy to make money online? These opportunities are not a get rich quick at all, not at all. You can't just start making or start earning the money just like that or from the spot. It's not easy. I will not lie to you. It needs a lot of time and a lot of guidance because we have a lot of legitimate apps out there, and we have a lot of um, Ponzi scheme apps out there. So you need to get someone that will guide you, that will direct you as to how to go about it. Sometimes you need to spend a lot of time. Your day, you can spend a whole day on the internet just to get the right source or to get the right thing. That is why some of us have devoted our time to guide you through and to take you through your path of make trying to make money online. The next question I will talk about is, can you make money online by yourself? Like I said, it is not easy and you can't make it by yourself. You can start today. If you want to start to embark on this journey, some of us try that, and I bet you about 5 years now. I can say about 5 years now because now that I now earn $1 from the internet, more than 5 years off, and because we didn't try to follow the right sources, the right path. We didn't try to put people in front of us so that they will guide us through the right way as to how to go about it. We started doing it by ourselves, and it keep us a lot of time. If I will not lie to you, I started this thing way back somewhere 2016, 2017, that way. And now that I have started to make some penny out from the internet, so it is not easy at all, and you can't make it yourself. You need to get someone to guide you or to go about how or to know how to go about it. How can one start earning money online? That is the next question. You can start making money online the moment you've made up your mind to begin the journey. It is not an easy journey. So if you made up your mind that you want to earn money online, begin today. There is no time for tomorrow. Today is the day. Start today. Today it will be tough. It will be tough. It's not going to be easy. But with determination and proper guidance, you are going to make money online. It's not easy. Some of them I want to tell you about our stories. It hasn't been easy. But today, God being so good, We have started making something out of our sweat. The last question is, can I use it as my lifetime job? This question made me laugh. Yes, of course. The answer is straightforward. Yes, you can use online on making money platform as your lifetime job. You can make money till you die. Some of the platform you can even upload, like you can even do something one thing on the platform, and it is going to take you for a lifetime. The thing that you have done over there will be there and to be earning you huge sum of money, and as the years go, it increases all the years, and you can earn from that particular platform till you die. I bet you. I will share with you one platform that I have done something over there. And as of now, I don't even visit there. I only had an email from them that this. And I went there, and as of now, the money I'm making out there, I'm even surprised. So one particular platform, and it is there. Just that one thing, now that I've started earning from it. And it is going to be the now that it has even started increasing, and it's going to increase till I die. So you see, it is about starting. It's about having proper guidance, and it's about believing in yourself. Making money online is never easy. It requires proper determination and proper guidance. That is why you need to start the journey today. These words are words of encouragement, and I tell you, if you made up your mind to start today, you are going to make it, whether hook or crook. Please kindly subscribe to this channel if you haven't subscribed, so that anytime I post a new video, you can have access to it very easily, and you can start to earn from the tips and tricks I'm going to be showing you. Share the video, and if you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section, and I'm going to reply you. Thank you, and stay blessed.